Meet Susan, Bill, and Mary, who just got their real estate license. Susan, Bill, and Mary are attending the required Bay East Association orientation class with many other new agents. Susan learned that building a team with Platinum affiliates can make a big difference in her success. She reviewed the list provided by Bay East Association of Realtors and contacted some of them to see which ones would fit in with her business model. That's when Susan learned that Platinum affiliates are just as interested in helping her succeed as she is. By going to more classes and attending marketing meetings, Susan learned how to build a business plan and marketing strategy to put her on the road to success. Susan got her first listing and put her team to work. Meanwhile, Bill and Mary wanted to do it themselves and were working hard day in and day out, but not getting anywhere. The house Susan listed sold in record time, and she had her team help her with all the closing details. Now Susan is known about town as the marketing expert real estate agent in her neighborhood, and sellers now come to her. Start building your team today and join Susan on the yellow brick road to success. I'm glad I did it. Go to bayeast.org and learn how you can build your Platinum affiliate team and learn about more classes and marketing meetings to help you build a successful real estate business.